Often we tell ourselves the story that we have value only if it turns out well, only if we meet a goal. The outcome must be good because our value is contingent upon that outcome. It's how we measure value. And when we focus on this, we very easily forget we have value. We withhold it from ourselves. We wait for the value to be assigned to us, to be rewarded to us. We wait to be given permission to think that we even have that value. So we forget that we already have it and we know that we have it. And that we can feel worthy simply because we know that. The problem is that the world insists we have proof and demands that we provide it repeatedly. This is where we sadly waste our energy and effort. Having to prove ourselves again and again gets really exhausting. And in all this trying, it's easy to overlook the real need behind these desirable outcomes, which is to feel valuable. So here are 3 steps to shift our attention toward satisfying the need to feel valuable. 1. Know your value. You can't know what to acknowledge if you don't see it. 2. Know your value's impact. Get specific about how you and your work make other people's lives better. And 3. Know who sees and wants your value. Focus your energy on those who genuinely recognize and appreciate your unique contributions. When we know what our value is, how it's impactful, and who benefits, we naturally provide value for those people who are looking for it. And when there is this alignment, we are in a better place to feel valuable. My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please sign up in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.